Dean, what a difference 3 or 4 days make. What a fantastic performance today.
Great, yeah. It's coming together, you know, like see things today that we've been working on, and a lot of the goals we scored today are things that we've been working on, so I was really pleased. And we played some great football, some great performances out there from lots of the players.
Barnsley started quite well, but then we got into the game and we scored those 2 goals just either side of half-time that just seemed to give everyone such a big lift.
Yeah, we started off with a 2 up and we looked a bit vulnerable and we couldn't get near them. They got some sharp young players, so we changed it a little bit and pushed Pogs out on the right and Anthony into the middle and played 5-4-3-3 really. And that sort of made us a bit more solid, and we counter-attacked from there, and the goal was a counter-attack. But we played today, Lee Fowler made everybody play. Sonny's come in and done a great job. I've been waiting for his chance, comes in, plays great today, didn't miss anything. Wardy didn't miss anything. Goalkeepers played well.
Marvin Elliott, captain, great goal.
Marvin Elliott's had a great performance from him. Anthony Wordsworth's played well. Ryan, as his wife's had a baby, congratulations to her. She's had a 8-pounder, so he didn't get much sleep, but he wanted to play. He played well today. Lewis Young's played right back for me today, out of position. Got a bit of pressure on him first half, but coped. His pace gets him out of trouble. Done well. Isel's obviously scored a brilliant hat-trick. Pogba's played a great game for him today. And Guillon's had his best game since I've been here.
You talk about Isel, as a fellow striker yourself, you must be proud of the clinical way he took his goals today.
Yeah, and he looked dangerous every time he got it. But, you know, the subs, I must say, the subs who don't get any glory, Isel get all the glory. I've left Jimmy out today and looked at that midfield and what I can do different. He's took it well. Great attitude, come on, done the job when he come on. Gavin Tomlin showed a good attitude. He's not been playing. He's come on and done well. Dean Morgan's come on, made the goal. Great pass through the middle. And as a group of lads, great to work with. We've got a good spirit. And
they've shown great character as well after what happened on Tuesday night.
Yeah,
to bounce back today.
Just shows you. I did say to him, don't be surprised if we went 5-0, but I wasn't convinced myself. But you got to bounce back, and I said to him, I knew we were going to have days like this when I took the job. I knew we were going to get a couple of slaps in the face and, you know, a few defeats. It's important that you just put the defeats behind you and move on, because the experienced players know that can happen. Lose 5-0 and then win 5-1 on the Saturday. Young players don't believe that's going to happen, but experienced players have seen it and done it before. They're the ones that have got to drag the young lads along, so I was pleased today.
First time we scored 5 goals in League One. First time we scored 5 goals since October 2012. So a great day already.
Great, yeah, I'm pleased. And I was pleased we played some great football today. That's what we've been working on. And today, when we got the goals going in, all of a sudden, everybody wants the ball. All of a sudden. And at 4 or 5, when it was 4-1 and 5-1, everybody was getting the ball.